Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make cocoa butter. We all know cocoa butter is a primary ingredient in making chocolates. You making chocolate, you need cocoa butter, cocoa powder, milk powder, and then the sugar. So it's also good for cocoa has a lot of health benefits for our body. That's for our health being. But today I'm going to show you how cocoa is good for the skin. That's why we do incorporate it in making body butters and body lotions. Making your own cocoa butter at home is the best because buying it from outside you don't really know what it is being mixed with. So I like making it on my own so that I become very sure of what I'm using in my body butters and then hair foods and the brownish things you see on top of the butter is also their cocoa. When I was saving it, some accidentally got into it. So you need your cocoa beans. You need the very dry ones. Thank you to Auntie Fokoshi for giving me this cocoa for free. Thank you so much. So I try to remove the skin or the peel without roasting it or toasting it, but it was so hard, so I started to roast it. Is it toast or roast? So whatever, I decided to put it on fire so that I can easily remove the skin. So I'm going to set it for 5 minutes or 10 minutes and then remove the skin. When you do it this way, it becomes so easier for you to get the skin out of the cocoa beans. Thank you very much for watching and please subscribe to my channel. So this is also part of our preparations to make our body butters, body lotions, hair food. So it's also one of the ingredients we'll be needing to make those products. So now let's go over some of the health benefits of cocoa butter to the skin. We all know what cocoa does to the body. So let's check what the butter does to the skin. The fat in cocoa butter forms a protective barrier over skin to hold in moisture. It smooths scar, wrinkles, and other marks on the skin. It improves blood flow to the skin and slows skin aging by protecting against damage from the sun's harmful UV rays. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. In general, it boosts skin health. So after toasting and removing the skin, this is what we got. So you have to blend it. Normally you have to blend it to a paste. But if your blender cannot blend to a paste, you can leave it, blend it to a powder. So this is what I was talking about. If you're able to blend it to a paste like this, is the best of the best. After that, you put it in a hot boiling water on fire, and then you keep stirring once in a while. You keep stirring once in a while like you are making soup or stew. So as you keep stirring and heating, the oil will start forming on top of it. This time I only made just a small quantity, so the oil wasn't that. After scooping the oil, you keep it in your mold and put it in a fridge to become solid.